Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on Digital India for New India. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Digital India is the key to realizing the vision of a new India. Second line is it is not just about technology, it is about empowerment. Third line is it empowers individuals, boosts economic growth, and enhances governance. Fourth line is the ambitious initiative Digital India was launched in 2015. Fifth line is it envisions a technologically empowered nation. Sixth line is it will pilot a new India that is modern, inclusive, and dynamic. Seventh line is it focuses digital infrastructure, digital services, and digital literacy. Eighth line is the availability of online government services has revolutionized the way Indians live and work. Ninth line is it promotes financial inclusion through digital payments and banking. Last line, that is line number 10, is with this initiative, we are paving the way for a more prosperous and comprehensive India.